You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American actor. I believe he's American, correctly. If you want to learn more confusing celebrity names, make sure to stay tuned. American English pronunciation, since he's American. Oh, he's English, alright, so never mind. Tom, Americans would say Tom. British, Tom. Hiddleston, okay, so it's not Hiddleston. Tom Hiddleston. Tom Hiddleston. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.